get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Welcome viewers, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to review Mokee 100 official ROM, which is built for Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 as well. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, let me show you from the setting. If you are searching for a very smooth ROM, then I can suggest you guys to use that ROM. And let me show you. You guys can see here the model Redmi 7 and the Android version, of course, 10. And this is a vanilla version. This is not a GFs version, so you guys need to install GFs separately. So I'll drop the link in description of GFs and that ROM file and magics as well. And you guys can see here the kernel version, which is Perf Plus, and of course which is very latest. And on setting, you guys can see here the customizable pixel is just like very
there.
close to pixel.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
You guys will get best performance from here. And you guys can see here a little bit customization here is available here because it's very close to pixel, so you guys can't expect here more customization. So that's all, that's the features actually available for that ROM. And you guys can see here it's 100% official ROM, so that's why you guys can update it through updater app. You guys can see here, you guys can see I have updated this to latest version, and if update is available, then you guys can check that out from that particular application and just download from here and click on that update file. Just it will boot into TWRP automatically and update your ROM. Just it's very easy process. So that's it. And you guys can see the flawless, it's very smooth ROM. It's super smooth, and you guys can use Gcam, of course, no problem. I'll drop that Gcam link in description. You guys can see it's working fine. Let me capture one photo. You guys can see the shutter speed is very fast, and night side working no problem. I have tested the regular features, so you guys don't need to worry about it. And you guys can see you need to open gallery application to view the images, no problem. And one important thing is that you guys will get by default here the launcher. You guys can see, and so many customizations are here: recents, gesture, integration, search, app drawer, dock, home widget, desktop theme. You guys can change anything, and the icon, accent, color, so many things are there. You guys can change. And if you guys want to change the icon pack, then just go there and get more from the Play Store and install as you want, no problem. And you guys can change icon shape, so many icon shapes are there, and get back and dock, app drawer. You need every customization is available here in that particular launcher. And by default you guys have this launcher on Mokee 100 ROM, so I guess can suggest to you. And I played Call of Duty. You guys can see here I played Call of Duty. It's smoothly it runs, so no problem and no issues. And if you guys want to play PUBG, you guys can play PUBG, no problem with that. And the recorder, you guys can see here the split screen. On the top portion, you guys can see here the record screen, which is able to record video, and the second portion, which is record sound. Just very simple. And now you guys can see I have nothing too much now to show. Now let's talk about customization from the setting, which is available on system. And these are the customization we have. First of all, here buttons, you guys can see invert layout, is long swipe action, you guys already know that. I don't want to make video longer. and system profiles, you can select the default, silent and vehicle. So this is important thing. And of course status bar, we have the clock style and pull down system and system icons, and of course battery percentage, battery icon shape and brightness control, and of course traffic indicator. You guys can hide this upload and download link, just select that one and your traffic will work, no problem. And of course gesture and 3 finger, just swipe 3 finger, it will take a screenshot, and you can check that here. Expand screenshot is not supported on this page. If you can take longer screenshot, if you have a longer pages, then you can use that. So actually that's the thing we have. And of course 4G, VoLTE, everything is working, no problem. Bluetooth hotspot, everything I have tested and it's working really fine. And you guys can see last full charge 2 days ago, and it's really, I didn't use it so much. Screen usage since full charge, you guys can see 2 hours 17 minutes and it's still 60% available. And you guys can get 8 hours, more than 8 hours battery backup, I think, if you don't play games, just normal use, you guys can get. And if you play games, you will get a better battery backup as well, no problem. So actually guys, that's the video for today. And if I missed anything, then just do comment in the comment section and let me know how can I improve my videos. And if you like my videos, it motivates a lot, so I want a single like from you guys. And please don't skip the video, and don't go away watching videos. Just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.